Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you once again from the balcony overlooking the New York Stock Exchange. And I just realized now, after looking at the monitor, my shirt, my tie matches the color of the New York Stock Exchange logo. Coincidence? I think not. That's why I'm here. I'm also here to tell you the following. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. It's a Wednesday. It's a hot Wednesday in the Big Apple. Let's cool off with a few drinks, shall we? It's happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks mostly lower this Wednesday afternoon. However, attempting to see some slight gains. For the most part, stocks, they were, let's say, seesawing throughout the session. This as the post-Brexit global effect continued, with benchmark Treasury yields managing to hit record lows. And we'll start right there quickly. The Treasury yields coming off lows, with the 10-year Treasury yield around 1.37%, a little bit higher after hitting a record low of 1.321% earlier. Also, the 30-year Treasury yield last around 2.14% after earlier touching a fresh all-time low of 2.098%. Meanwhile, there was also some action on the domestic data front here in the U.S. ISM non-manufacturing PMI coming in at 56.5 for the month of June versus 52.9 in May. Markets U.S. services PMI showing expansion at 51.4 in June, up from 51.3 the previous month. And also the U.S. trade deficit widening more than expected in May to $41.1 billion from $37.4 billion the previous month. In addition, the Federal Reserve meeting minutes continuing to be looked over. However, not a lot of weight being held in them because those minutes were done before the announcement of UK leaving the European Union. Also making waves today, currency. Speaking about the European Union and the UK, the sterling pound trading near 128.90. This after hitting a fresh 31-year low against the US dollar overnight, 31 years. Also, the U.S. dollar index turning to trade 0.2% higher, with the euro around 110.60 and crude oil futures about 1% lower to trade just above $46 a barrel. And when you team all of that, as well as the People's Bank of China setting the official midpoint rate of the yuan against the dollar at 668.57, 0.4% softer than the previous number, then you have yourself a session right now, right in back of me, where about 3 stocks are in the red for every advancer. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the second trading session of the abbreviated week. And with that stated, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. If you are in the tri-state area, this is day 1 of 3 of a heat wave. So stay cool, stay in the shade, stay hydrated with some water, a little bit of alcohol, but you have some drinking. Guess what? You better have water on top of it. And I hope to see you guys all tomorrow morning. For Modern Wall Street saying, I'll see you guys, tomorrow morning. I'm James Sweeney.